Guys, welcome back to my channel again. So I told you last time we're gonna do chain rule, so today let's see. Now this is chain rule and you can see it. I've written down because it's easier for me. Sorry, the camera is, wait a minute guys, I'm trying to adjust the camera here. So I've written these things down for you. It's easier for me to explain you when I've written them than just to write and explain, because each time I have to write. So you can see d over dx plus, there's no plus, d over dx into f g into x. That's a composite function. It's equal to a prime gx into g prime. That's the formula. So down there I've tried to illustrate it further. D over dx, we're talking of this one I've read to you. D over dx into this composite function which have g of x is equal to f prime gx into g prime x. So down here we have d dx into this value here, which is y into n is equal to, n comes in front, y is there, and then you subtract n minus 1, I guess you see n minus 1 into y prime. Okay, so now the practical example we have taken down there, which is this one, is d over dx into 4x plus 5. Let me check it out. D over dx 4x plus 2, not 5, this is 2. From here it looks like 5, actually it's 4x plus 2 into 6, this is 6. Okay, so this will lead to 6 will come in front here. According to power rule, 6 is going to come in front, and then we have the inside remaining the same. This one will remain the same, so we have written it as 4x plus 2 here, and then 6 we have subtracted 1 according to these formulas, and then we've gotten it 5 here, 5 into now we differentiate the inside one, which is this one. So when you differentiate 2, which is a constant, it disappears, this 2 disappears, and this one will remain only 4x, which you have written here. Okay, so after writing that, we're going to multiply 6 times 4, and we're going to get 26 times 4, that's 6, 12, that's 24, and the inside will be 4x plus 2, 4x plus 2 into 5. Here the answer, I've just squared it here, I've drawn a square. So this is the answer. This one is the answer. Okay, so we are taking another example, this one. Let me check it out. dx x to power 3 minus 4x, which is this one, into 8, exponent 8. So according to this formula, 8 is going to come in front here. I've done it here. You can see I'm writing small so that you can see this is 8, and x cubed minus 4x, x cubed minus 4x, and we have 7, because here we have subtracted 1 from 8 according to this formula up here, so now it's 7 here. Okay, so we are going to have 8 and x cubed minus 4x, because from up there this remained the same, into this one. Now we differentiated this one, the inside value, which we differentiated, then it becomes this one, because 3 comes in front here, 3 comes in front, and then here, and here 4x, x disappears, we just have only 4, and then this is the answer. This is the answer. I hope you follow that. According to power rule, then we differentiate. Okay, so you can copy down if you want to copy. I've shown you the examples, just holding the board for you, and you can review it on your own time. D over dx into f gx, which is a composite function, equal f prime gx into g prime, the top one. So followed by d dx, y into n equals to n comes in front, and then y and n minus 1. This is just the illustrative formula. Then we're taking a practical example here, which I've explained to you. D over dx 4x plus d dx 4x plus 2 into 6, and then we have 6 coming in front here, and the rest you follow the way I've explained to you. Okay, guys, if you copy it, I'm giving time to copy. It is yeah, okay, so I hope you have copied it. So we are going to do one more examples on trig function. Trig function, right? Which is we're gonna be, I think I'm gonna wrap off everything here and wrap everything. Okay, let me try to fix it here. So we have d over dx, d over dx into sine x, sine 2 into sine. I'm writing, then I'll show you. Sine 6x, sine 6x, right? This one. So here I've written this. It's a trig function. We have the sine, this one. Now we derive the sine, it will be cosine. So this will be equal to cosine. The inside will remain the same, which is 6x. Like here I've written cosine 6x remain the same. We differentiated this to cosine, this remains the same, and then we differentiate the inside, which is this one. It just becomes 6. So we have 6 here. I've written it here, right? So 6 times cosine, so we have 6 cosine 6x as the answer. Copy down so you can analyze it on your own time. Okay, here d over dx sine x 6x, you differentiate this, become cosine, and 6x remains the same. Then you differentiate the 6x according to this formula, composite function. We have this and this and this, it will become what? The answer is given here, cosine 6x. Then we'll have cosine 6x here down here into 6x. Okay, this is the answer. So cosine into 6x, then you differentiate 6x, it becomes 6, and now you not multiply this and this one, so it will be 6 cosine 6x, this one here. Okay, man. I think I want to do more examples. Let me see what is written here that I've written down. We're going to do another one, which is d dx cosine x here we are having cosine, and here we are having x squared. I'll show you, just let me write first. X squared, yeah, this will be equal to sine. I'm sorry, I only see in my head, but I'm writing down so that I'll show you. Minus sine into x squared into 2x, and this will be equal to minus 2x sine x squared. Okay, that's the answer. So now look, I've done this here, down here, do dx, here d dx cosine, okay, x squared. Now if you differentiate cosine, it becomes minus sine x, minus sine, which I've written here, minus sine, and the inside remains the same. So here we have it here, it's going minus sine, the inside remains the same. Okay, then we differentiate the inside. Now when you differentiate the inside, this one, let me see, this one, then this comes in front and subtract 1. So once you do this, then you get this one, which is 2x. I don't know whether you are seeing this. You get 2x, and then down here you multiply this in here, so we are having minus 2x here, in minus 2x sine x squared as the answer. So you can copy down. Okay, I'm trying to adjust it in a way that you can be able to see it. Okay, now you can see it clearly. d over dx cosine x squared is equal minus sine x squared remains the same, and then you have 2x, and then now 2x you multiply sine there, so you're gonna get this as the answer, this one, which is minus 2x sine x squared. So let me bring it close for you to see. Yeah, this light is, you see, look, if you are copying it, then you can copy it, and then you can do it at your own time. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute to copy. Okay, so let's do another one. This time we are going to do, I'm going to copy another one from what I've written down here. d over dx tangent x cubed. Tangent x cubed is equals to secant squared, right? We shall see what that means, into 3x into x cubed, which remains the same, and then we have into 3x squared, 3x squared. Now this will give the solution, which is 3x squared secant squared s cubed. Now this, I've written this one, tangent I don't know what they're saying. Yeah, d or dx tangent s cubed is equals to a secant squared x cubed into 3x squared. Then we are having Now look down here, we are having 3x squared into secant squared into x cubed. If you follow the formula, by now you must have seen the pattern how this thing work. Okay, I don't have to explain each and everything. I think you're following. But let me look. For example, tangent. If you differentiate tangent, it becomes secant squared here, and then this one remains the same. Okay. And then you differentiate this one, the inside, according to the formula given up here. And when you differentiate this one, it will become now 3x squared. What happens is that this comes in front, which is here. Oh man, how can I show you this? 3 comes in front, right? 3 comes in front, and then you subtract 1 here. You differentiate this, it will give you this value. So after you got this, then you bring it in front here, 3x squared into secant squared into x cubed. Yeah, let me put it in a way that you can be able to see it. We are copying it down. That's the answer down there, last point. Yeah. And I think, I don't know whether you can simplify then further than this. You can leave it also at that point. So guys, I have numerous other examples, and I think we'll proceed with other examples. The next example and the next example, like that. So for today, let's have only this one, and we'll continue on this chain rule. A few more examples. You can also practice on your own by giving various values and following the formula. You're gonna get the answer. Okay guys, I think my camera is not so clear today. I'm having a problem with the gear. My gear is so poor. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe again for more. Share and like, comment. Okay guys, bye for now. See you in another episode as we continue this series on chain rule. Bye.